In front of me is HONOR X7c, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices settings and scrolling to hit Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on Vibration here to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you're ready, scroll down, hit Phone Ringtone, and tap on Vibration section for SIM1 and SIM2. Then you can apply one of those patterns, select None to disable them, or hit Standard at the top. Go back, tap on the notification tone, and tap on Vibration section to do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Go back again, scroll all the way down and choose More settings to manage those two switchers. One next to Vibrate when ringing, and another one next to System Haptics to turn on or off haptic feedback for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!